Hi everyone, I just received my February 2021 premium SnackCrate box and I wanted to share it with you all. If you're not familiar with SnackCrate, I'll make sure to put more information about it in the down bar below. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started. So SnackCrate is a monthly subscription service that brings snacks from a new country every month right to your doorstep, and they offer 4 different size boxes: the mini, the original, the premium / family box, as well as the Big F-ing SnackCrate box, which is meant for the office or for larger families. So let's go ahead and dive right into the February box. As always, it comes in this really pretty light blue box, and once you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it looks like for the month of February, we're going to be going to Brazil. As always, you get a pamphlet that tells you a little bit about the country that you'll be receiving, as well as some fun facts. And then they always have a little insert that tells you the items that are coming in the mini box, the original box, as well as the family box. So we'll put that to the side and dive right in. All right, so the first item that I see are these Ruffles in Churrasco, which is a meat flavor. Next is this Amelia sweet corn popcorn. Then we've got these Cheetos asado. Next, we've got these Fandangos, also in a cheese flavor. Next, I see these Pirake in pizza flavor, pizza flavored snack or crackers. Next are these Lopez. They kind of look like Funyuns, and there's also an onion here. Next item is this Tira, Tima, and Quejo, which is a cheese flavor. And then I see a bunch of chocolate, so let's go ahead and jump in. So I see these 2 little chocolate turtles. And then there's 3 of these, which I believe are like bonbon chocolates. This is the Trento Allegro, and it looks like white chocolate with peanut and crisp inside. There's this snack called Club Social, and it looks like it has cheese, tomato, and ham flavor. Next is this Pede de Mocha, and it looks like it's sugary and it has tons of peanuts throughout, so I am looking forward to trying that out. Then we've got 4 of these Baton Extra Milk. There's this Nestle Prestigio, which is chocolate and coconut. And I see this Nestle Sensacal, which is chocolate with like a strawberry filling on the inside. I see 2 of these Pacoquita, which look like peanut snacks, and it's in the original flavor. Then I see this Trento Bites. Next is this Talento and Morongo, which is the strawberry flavor. Then we've got this item, which is the Lactobis in Oreo. Then we've got a Supino, which is banana with chocolate. Here's a Nestle Kit Kat limited edition lemon flavor. Then we've got this bigger chocolate bar. It's called Lacta Shot. Looks like it's milk chocolate with peanuts. There's another product from Trento. It's the Massimo, and it looks like it's a cookies and cream if you see the wafer and chocolate there. Then we've got two more items. It's the Nestle Lolo. And then a Nestle Choquito. Lots of awesome looking Nestle products. So that was everything that I received in my February box. As always, I'm looking forward to trying out all the snacks that SnackCrate picked out for us. And to just kind of get a taste since traveling isn't really happening these days due to the pandemic. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them below. Have a great day. Bye, guys.